Good afternoon, everybody. So I just come back from grocery shopping, so I thought I should unpack with you guys. I had pre-planned that I was going to record my whole day because I had a busy day, but after the hospital and sitting at the hospital for such a long time, I was just over it. And then I went to the license department so that I can renew my license because it's expired. When I get there, these people are telling me I'm supposed to like book online. When did things change? So anyway, after that I went to go do the groceries just to top up a few stuff. So I got this blueberry mix. It is strawberries, blueberries, and whatever berries you can think of. Let me just quickly pop this in the fridge. Right, then refuse bags, dustbin bags, whatever you call them. Robot, this is what we call it, like a robot, because yeah, that's what we call it anyway. Ginger and garlic, and then crushed garlic as well. Fresh spring onions. The reason why I actually got these spring onions is so that I can repot them and grow my own spring onions. We got some fresh nectarines, and we got some plums. We got some lettuce. Then I bought a whole garlic. The reason for this is because I'm going to be making bread sometime in the week. And then I think I want to do like I have a lot of cocktail tomatoes, so I think I want to do something along those lines. Are those my muscles popping? Am I seeing right? Okay, anyway, one packet of mushrooms because I still have one in the fridge. We've got some bananas, some very hard avocados. It's almost winter, so it's avocado season. I'm actually quite excited. And then I'm going to be pickling these red onions soon. I'll show you guys how I do that. I've got some lemons because I can't live without lemons, and then carrots. So my next scene, you guys are gonna be seeing me actually just pack everything up. I chop all of my vegetables and I put them in the freezer. Not all of them, but the ones that I know very well that they can go in the freezer. And then I do that, and I also got some flour because I'm gonna be making bread, like I said. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna do for this video, it's actually, you guys are gonna be spending the whole week with me. And funny enough, I also have the movies this Thursday. We're gonna be watching Color Purple with my sister. So then, yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. So we've got a jam-packed week. So I made some oat cookies, and I thought, let us plate them together because I'm craving a snack. I'm craving something crunchy. So that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna top it up with some mango. You know what I've been loving? Colorful food. I love colorful food. If there's not enough color on my plate, I don't want to eat that. You know? Let's plate. Let me show you one. This is how they look like. I put some blueberries and peaches. Great, come to the movies on a Thursday afternoon and you will get everything. It's empty. I love it. You hear me? I can make so much noise. I can scream, I can cry, I can do anything I want.
Hey sister, what you gonna do? Going down by the river, gonna play with you. Papa don't make a joyful noise unto the...
Just watch the movie. Good morning, everybody. Let's do like a muscle check. It's the following day, And I have to say, each week there is just so much bodily improvement that I am quite excited for myself. So normally when I used to flex, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I had like very visible cellulites on my arm, which just meant like, it's like, you know, when you kind of squeeze your skin and you see those fat cells just chilling there. Mine used to just chill, like they used to just be on the surface without me doing anything. So these last few weeks I have been intentional about what I eat and increasing my movement, whatever type of movement that may be. But those who know me, they know that I'm a gym baddie and I walk a lot, so, and I do yoga. So now I am just looking at myself when I'm flexing that I'm not seeing the fat as much as I used to. So that means I'm making progress. Yay! So anyway, I have made myself a pre-meal, a pre-meal before I work out. So this is going to be some mangoes and grapes and half a cup of oats. I always eat half a cup of oats. I can't finish one full bowl of oats. So for me, let's check the abs. Are we adding? I feel like they need to be defined. So anyway, I also need to get serious about doing ab exercises. So we will be going to the gym. So I think my next clip, if I have the confidence, we will be going to the gym and I will be taking a shower at the gym as well, because for some weird reason, there's no cold water. There's hot water, but there's no cold water in our complex. So I have to go shower at the gym. I am going to be stretching as always, so that when I get to the gym, my body's already warm and then I just get into it. I don't need to stretch because I'm actually going to be doing yoga. That's me going to be stretching. And then, yeah, keeping it simple, easy, light. Let's go have some breakfast and I'll see you guys on my mat and then at the gym. Okay. Hey y'all, so I just come from the gym and let me tell you, I feel so calm. I feel like my shoulders feel calm, like whatever stress, I feel like my chakras are aligned, if that means anything. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my post-workout meal, and it's definitely going to be low in carbs and high in protein. So we're gonna be having 2 boiled eggs. That's about 6 grams of protein. Then we're gonna have a can of tuna to be 12 grams of protein. And then in the evening, I'm also going to be having some chicken or whatever protein. So for me right now, the aim is not necessarily to count my calories or my protein, but it's to be intentional and conscious of the food that I'm eating for a reason. Good morning everybody. So we are going to be quickly making some bread. My dough has been sitting for over 24 hours, I think, because I was supposed to do it yesterday, but then we had an emergency at the hospital. So I was in the emergency room, spent most of my day there. But here we go. She has bubbled up way too much. I feel like I could make focaccia bread instead of normal bread, but let's see. Let's get into shaping this bread and then putting it in the oven and see what we get. My husband and I got this casserole. It's a MasterChef casserole dish, and you can definitely you can put it in the oven. It's safe for that, but it's extremely hot right now, so I have to be extremely careful. And then I'm gonna grab some parchment paper. Now I'm gonna put some flour again on the parchment paper so it doesn't stick. My dough is a little bit wet, but I'm not too stressed about that. There we go. I'm gonna take the bread, I'm gonna put it in there. Don't burn yourself. I'm so scared. Okay, because it's so hot. I can smell that it's hot even. So I'm gonna try to fold the parchment paper so that it doesn't, you know, disturb the bread without getting burned. There we go. Y'all see this? This is how the bread is looking. Okay. Okay, I'm ready to see the bread. Let's go. Ooh, it actually looks so pretty. Do you guys see that? We did it. So because right now the bread is slightly too light-skinned for my liking, I'm gonna remove the lid and then put it back in the oven so that it can just be a little bit like brown. Y'all hear that? That's a happy bread. So I'm quickly gonna put it back for the next like 10 minutes or so with some water. Ish, now I must think. Okay, I know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot water in the second row of the oven so that it doesn't dry up the bread on top since I have removed the lid, and then leave it on for like 7 to 10 minutes and then take it out again. Let's do that. It's hot in this kitchen. It's hot in this house. Okay, the bread is actually ready for me to consume. Yes, we've got a clean knife. That means we are good to go. But anyway, we've got bread. I made bread. Y'all, like, can we have a chat about that? I made bread. And I'm gonna make a stew in the same pot. We're gonna make a stew and I'm gonna put it in the oven. Oh my god. I think I'm craving winter meals for some weird reason. It's probably because my period is coming soon. But anyway, bye, child.